Hello, my friends. In this video, I'll tell you how many liters of oil a Toyota Innova 2.5 diesel needs. If you have a Toyota Innova 2.5 diesel with a 2K DFTB engine, the good news is that the oil capacity basically didn't change throughout the entire life of this engine. The Toyota Innova 2.5 D4D, manufactured between 2004 and 2008, use approximately 6.9 liters of oil for a regular service. And when the 2009 to 2011 models came out, Toyota kept the same 2K DFTV engine. So the capacity remained at 6.9 liters. Much later on, the 2012 to 2015 Innova models continued using the same 2.5 D4D engine block. In many markets, they also kept the oil capacity at 6.9 liters. Some technical manuals specify that the 2 kdf engine takes 6.8 liters without changing the filter, 7.5 liters with the filter, and 8 liters when completely dry after a full engine rebuild.